Hi, today I'll talk about safety measures to take in electrical maintenance. How do we maintain our electrical equipment? We can maintain our electrical equipment by cleaning them daily, storing them properly, and using them for their purpose only. The electrical equipment should only be handled with care and by a skilled person. Determine the condition of the tool before use. Malfunctioning tools can cause accidents. How do we prevent common electrical hazards? If you encounter an electrical fault, contact a professional electrician immediately. Make sure all electrical components are dry. Before cutting through any ceiling, floor, or wall, thoroughly check for electrical wiring. Do not overload your outlets. Keep children away from hazards and avoid extension cords as much as possible. Safety measures to take when installing electrical components. When installing electrical components, avoid water at all times. If you're working on any receptacle at your home, always turn off the main. Always use insulated tools while working. Use insulated gloves and wear safety goggles when handling on any branch circuit. Use a wooden, bamboo, or a fiberglass ladder if you are working on any receptacle at height in your home.